What makes buyers choose T Farm by Ashton Woods? After helping many families through the home buying process, I hear several common reasons. The first is value. Buyers appreciate the opportunity to purchase a brand new home while maintaining a monthly payment that often compares to their current rent or the price of their older home. Second is quality. Ashton Woods has built a reputation for creating beautiful design homes with features buyers actually want and use every day. Third is personalization. Our curated design collections help buyers create a home that feels stylish and uniquely theirs without the stress of making hundreds of design decisions on their own. Fourth is location. Many buyers appreciate the ability to enjoy a quieter setting while still having access to Charleston, West Ashley, Johns Island, and surrounding areas. And finally is community. T Farm offers amenities and an atmosphere that welcomes many buyers that they immediately feel connected to when they visit. If you're considering a move, I encourage you to come see firsthand why so many buyers are choosing T Farm by Ashton Woods. The best way to understand why buyers are choosing T Farm is to experience it for yourself. Come walk our community, tour our homes, and see the Ashton Woods difference firsthand. The link for my calendar is in the description, so please schedule your tour. I am Nancy Walsh, Community Sales Manager at T Farm by Ashton Woods, and I would welcome the chance to walk you through everything that makes this community truly unique. Also, you can call or text me at 843-718-4285. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you here at T Farm.